Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Subnautica 2 error. DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. Try running without DirectX 12. So here's what you're gonna do. You want to open a new Chrome tab, type in DirectX download, and you want to click on the first link, and you want to click on download. Save it, click open. Click yes, click yes, accept the agreement, uninstall the Bing bar, and it will install the DirectX. And after it's done, you want to click finish. The next thing you want to do is open your NVIDIA or AMD app, go to drivers and update to the latest and greatest. You go to system. You want to turn off the G-Sync. If it's on, you want to turn it off and go to settings and turn off the NVIDIA overlay, and that should fix your issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Subnautica 2, DirectX 12 error. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.